Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete if me not up on the beat, and as you can see on the screen, yeah, there's something going on with Foota hype, and the fans them is definitely noticed because 12 days ago someone left a comment on my page saying, "Oh, we're wrong with Foota hype. Like him lip them freeze up and numb." As you can see, the person said, "What happened to Foota hype? Something wrong with him. Him mouth. Hope him well, bro." And this person responded to them saying, "That's what it looked like. Top lip not moving while he's talking. Almost if like it's numb." And I really didn't know what they was talking about. But we know say Foota have diabetes, so we know say him always in and out somewhat, you know what I mean? But today when I watch the live, him I deal with Brown Man situation, I'm like, yo, half of him face now move, you see me? And when you really look at him face, you say half of it black. And when you see them type of thing there, you know it's a stroke. You know what I mean? Putting out a comment section if I too much people business, but on him head. You know, like Vibes Cartel and all of these people, you see me? But nevertheless, people. Him say Brown Man is a CIA agent and things, and them never dash him away. You see me, I say, because no blood, no drop, no splatter, nowhere. And I'll be a shells you see on the screen. You know what I mean? You know, Elephant Man, I mean, Ninja Man did talk to some people who say, you know, such man never take with himself to, you know. So, yeah, well, let's see what Foota hype say, and then we'll proceed with the next.
No bullet-ridden vehicle no out there. No, him not try kill none of the police them. Them not try kill him, and him not try kill them. Remember, you know, when you look which part the police them a fire, most of the shot them, you know, around the window in the wall them, you know. So if them soldier will come, fire so much wild shot round the window, them would have killed innocent people then. Cause them not fire in the window to kill Brown Man. Them a fire round the window. Me not see no drainage of them draw out Brown Man. And if you give Brown Man 3 gunshot, even Brown make it make sense, people. Brown Man not dead none at all. Play them up, play in our face. Brown Man not dead none at all. Brown Man is a serious agent from somewhere in the world. Either America, so all of them attack when come from Canada. I go to Canada none at all. I go to America and come from. But them sell you what them want you believe. Them tell, and Jamaica people so naive. Oh, run with it, R.I.P. Brown Man, which part? When him in a van back, you can't see him, then cover him, and the sheet white like chalk. You're doing Cornelius, you're saying bleed out already, where the blood there? Which part? L.A. Lewis got it the next day, you know? And a video, and there's no blood. There's no blood. Just think about it, it now add up. Alright, we can't have a situation like that. We don't hear the commissioner talk yet. We don't hear Andrew talk. We don't hear Mark Golding talk. We don't hear none of them talk. We don't notice how the van where carry out Brown Man a speed out fast and no police in the back. He look like I drive alone in a jeep. Where I come get you. Brown Man are one of them top killer in a them organization. Either CIA, DEA, Interpol, or US military, one of them. We are man in the street and we don't have none of them gun there. None of the Jamaican police them now them the gun there where him have. That gun there where Brown Man have, and a normal gun that can use multiple different rounds. What you mean it can use 9 binds, it can use AR-15 binds, and it look like it can use all AK binds. Where that come from? People have to start thinking, you know. It was staged. God have to come tell me say it's not staged. It's staged. Brown Man not dead none at all. Not Jamaican police. you can shoot off or so. And then them come kill you and kill you so quiet and so calm and so nice. And well set you up so nice. First thing, if you look when brown man in a van, the sheet not wrap around brown man, you know. The sheet just throw over brown man so that brown man can breathe. No, in at the back of the van, you know, but him can breathe. Them not wrap the sheet around him or tape it up or nothing kind of stifle. You understand what I say? Them just take him up at that take him out of that place. I saw them move him. If you notice the van with brown man in a big excitement. Them no need to do that. Them no need to do that now. Because down there so them they are beer police. You don't need to race and go on so. Because the whole of civilian and they up so. Nobody now bother you. So, why you can't now lead the van there and one of the armored can now protect the body and take them time go them and go. No, the one van with brown man still gone about it business. Exactly. That's why them are run them from the van. Brown man down dead. Brown man down dead. That's why they not gonna like me now. Listen to me. The government not gonna like me. The system not gonna like me. Because they can't trick me. You understand? When you not understand them, show the crowd, you know, but there's no blood. The sheet white like filikin, clean like chalk. And asking yourself. You have to ask yourself, oh, the man a fire shot. For rascal 3 hours, 4 hours. But when the police them start come close now, him not fire a shot. And him never run out a shot. And the gun did still a work. What happened? Because him done get order said don't shoot none of the police them. And the police them get order said not kill him. No mark, alright. Then you know so from brown man go and dead house. In picture that take. And I circulate long time. All the man will put him on the fridge with that taking picture. And say, see great brown man and send it to somebody. And it would have gone all over the internet. Brown man go to upper camp. Right now I eat oxtail and rice and peas. Somebody say, but why? What would be the reason? America, England, Canada, them have all over agents in Jamaica, you know. We are sitting, waiting for orders, you know. You don't know them something there. When you figure say they come out say FBI have an office at Jamaica, I don't remember them something. You don't remember them something there. You see Jamaican people, we just excited and we just jump to conclusion all the time and them it's like a movie them are do right in front of your face. And you're now looking to the thing them. Remember, you know, the police them don't know which part brown man they in a house, you know. Remember, you know. Brown man inside him have the advantage over the whole of them, you know. And him have be gunshot for 3 hours. You 3 hours with a gunshot, you know how much shot that? Outside should have full of gunshot. The whole of them police vehicles should have full of hole. You don't know what is 3 to 4 hours with a gunshot? Brown man never want to kill no police. Yeah, him is a sleeper cell and him never want to kill no police. Brown man a real killer. We prove that from Eggman and the other 2 people them. So all him not kill no police and him have the advantage over them. And him inside and them don't know which part in them there. And him have X amount of gunshot and him rifle at work. Exactly, Paco. The man have so much armor and him no need 2 bills from Eggman. Him no need to shot Eggman 2 bills neither. But as me tell you say, me feel say him there sell Eggman some of the can them. Me feel like him there sell out some of the can them. You see me? Me feel say them deploy him, and him there, and him there on, and him kind of learn the place, make two little brethren. Brown man not a family. Nobody in a brown man house. So you tell me, say them not find no picture or not in a brown man apartment with nobody, nothing, no evidence to show say him and nobody connected. Want him phone. Want him phone. Tell me no man, who no see something fishy about that. No Jamaican police, no Jamaican police, no boy, no one boy now shoot off of them for 3-4 hours and embarrass them. And them need to find you and carry out and not us. That now happen in Jamaica, no time. Me now ask Christ. Excuse it, that's what them say. Me no see no family a ball. Me no see nobody a come up for brown man. Nobody at all. Me no hear the commissioner say nothing. Or a big crime like that go on. Commissioner no say nothing. Andrew no say nothing. Mark Goldie no say nothing. None of the hierarchy them no say nothing. Members say the armored vehicle them and the helicopter them cannot roll out without the call making up. Them vehicle then just roll out saying. So the Minister of National Security has to give the okay for them vehicle to roll out.
Yeah, let me know in the comment section below if you're feeling these conspiracy theories. And if you're new to the channel, you can go watch the previous video with L.A. Lewis interviewing the people them about brown man. You see my subscribers, you can go watch it too. And don't forget to swing by my King Mixup channel and check out what I go on for not to go on with Vibes Cartel. Bagga. Cause we're not going longer, this no longer. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe with the notification bell. Therefore, you'll be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.